Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2024 edition Volkswagen Polo R line that does come complemented in a desired deep black pearl paintwork, housing your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, making it an ideal stylish nippy city upgrade. Packed with plenty of top features to help you out on the open road, including LED headlights, stylish 17-inch Bergamo alloys, and the protection of power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers enough space for daily essentials, whilst the stylish cloth upholstery ensures comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel with your central touch display and the modernised edge of your embroidered finish on your front seats. You do also have seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, even displaying your navigation. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay endlessly entertained, alongside your navigation once again to help you in unfamiliar areas. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information with the activation of your sensors to easily guide you into those tricky parking spots, with the added safety of your driving assistance, with your on-screen dual climate controls, with your main touch buttons located just below, followed by your handy power outlets and charging pocket, and of course your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.